Welcome back to our channel Box Office Release. Let's start the video now. Today we are introduced an ancient drama and the first great famous collection of British laser chronology. Downton Abbey, in case you did not watch the collection, perhaps you have heard about it from somewhere else, because that is something very famous and successful, and additionally it set a Guinness Global document for the maximum severely praised 2011's English collection. There is likewise a movie of variation of the collection that became launched in 2019 with the identical name Downton Abbey, and perhaps the movie Downton Abbey 2 could go back because of the sequel as the movie. The regular information is coming associated with the sequel of the movie, and its Smile is going to launch on 18th March 2022 due to the fact that first of all it became set to launch in December 2021. However, because of the pandemic, everything and social distancing, it postponed for March 2022. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest update about all series and upcoming movies. This is the maximum well-known British ancient drama that indicates the assessment and the lives of an aristocratic family, the Crawley family and their servants. The tale became set in among the times of 1912 and 1926. This collection additionally indicates the increase of the British social hierarchy because the first-rate activities happened. You will see the lifestyles of aristocratic households and the technology of the Titanic, World War I and Spanish influenza pandemic. This display essentially portrays the elegance, distinction and connection among the aristocrats and servants. The episodes of Downton Abbey confirm the parallel lives of noblemen and their servants. It indicates if an occasion is going on with inside the lifestyles of wealthy people, then it's also going on with the servant one. If the wealthy lady cries, then perhaps you may see the servant lady also crying. So it is essentially a display primarily based totally on assessment among two lessons of society. This tale is ready in time with first-rate activities going on with inside the global. So with the simple plot of displaying the two lessons of society, Downton Abbey additionally indicates the first-rate activity separately in each season and photographs the increase of British social hierarchy. In the primary season, the collection indicates the occasion of sinking Titanic. Then in season 2, it specializes in the three activities with World War I, the Spanish influenza pandemic and the Marconi scandal. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more box office movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.boxofficerelease.com, and if you like our video then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Box Office Release.